As artificial intelligence and robotics continue to evolve, we face a pressing ethical question. Should robots have rights? While robots today function as tools created to perform specific tasks, advancements in AI suggest a future where machines could potentially think, learn, and make decisions on their own. If a robot were to exhibit behavior indistinguishable from human thought, should it be granted rights? This debate spans many fields, including philosophy, ethics, law, and technology. In this discussion, we must examine the history of AI, pros and cons of robot rights, possible legal implications, and what the future may hold. Robotics and AI have been integral to human progress for decades. Early robots were simple machines designed for repetitive tasks. As technology advanced, AI systems became more sophisticated, enabling robots to perform complex actions, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and even simulating human emotions. The idea of robots with rights was first explored in science fiction. Isaac Asimov's 3 Laws of Robotics laid the foundation for ethical robotics, imagining a world where machines followed strict moral guidelines. More recently, AI like OpenAI's GPT models and humanoid robots like Sophia, developed by Hanson Robotics, have reignited the debate. In 2017, Sophia became the first robot to be granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia, a symbolic move that raised global discussions on machine rights and responsibilities. Proponents of robot rights argue that if a machine can think, learn, and feel, it should be afforded certain protections. Below are some key arguments supporting this position. Sentience and consciousness. If AI reaches a level where it is self-aware, capable of independent thought, and able to experience emotions, then denying it rights could be seen as unjust. Philosophers argue that consciousness, not biology, should determine personhood. Prevention of abuse. Even if robots are not truly conscious, allowing their mistreatment could encourage harmful behavior toward other entities, including humans. Just as animal cruelty is outlawed, some believe robots should be protected from unnecessary harm. Ethical responsibility. As AI takes on increasingly complex roles, such as caregiving, companionship, and decision-making, establishing ethical guidelines ensures that humans treat these entities fairly and with respect. Legal and economic factors. If AI contributes significantly to society, it may deserve compensation or legal protections. Some argue that failing to acknowledge these contributions may lead to exploitation. Arguments against robot rights on the other hand, skeptics argue that granting robots rights is both unnecessary and impractical. Their primary objections include lack of true consciousness. AI, no matter how advanced, is still a machine. While it can mimic emotions and decision-making, it does not experience the world subjectively. Without true consciousness, there is no moral obligation to provide rights. Human rights should take priority. Billions of people worldwide still lack basic human rights. Critics argue that energy and resources should focus on addressing human suffering before considering machine rights. Robots are property. Like cars, computers, and other advanced technology, robots are designed and built by humans. Granting them rights could create legal complications regarding ownership and liability. If robots are given rights, where do we draw the line? Should all AI systems be protected? What about simpler machines like automated vacuum cleaners? If a robot were granted rights, would it also have responsibilities? Could it be punished for wrongdoing? Would companies that own AI systems be held accountable for their actions? A precedent was set in 2017 when the European Parliament proposed granting electronic personhood to the most advanced AI. This idea, however, faced backlash, as many believed it would blur the lines between human and machine ethics. Some experts suggest that rather than granting rights, AI should be governed by regulations ensuring ethical behavior without legal personhood. Several possible futures could unfold regarding robot rights. Full integration. Advanced AI beings could be recognized as digital citizens, possessing rights similar to humans, but with restrictions. Regulated AI use. Governments and corporations may impose guidelines on how AI and robots are treated, ensuring ethical use without legal personhood. AI as a workforce. Robots may become an integral part of economies, leading to discussions about fair treatment and compensation, similar to labor laws. No rights at all may determine that AI, regardless of advancement, should remain under human control without rights. The debate over robot rights is complex, with compelling arguments on both sides. While current AI lacks true consciousness, rapid advancements could challenge our understanding of intelligence, morality, and personhood.